Locked out? Hacked? Forgot your password? Meta just dropped a solution, and these troubles will soon become a thing of the past. Welcome to GadInsider, your tech hub. Meta has unveiled a bold new support hub for Facebook and Instagram, finally giving millions of users one simple place to handle lost accounts, suspicious activity, and confusing settings. For years, users have complained about running in circles, trying to recover hacked accounts, or figure out where certain tools were hidden. Now, Meta says it's putting an end to the chaos with one powerful command center designed to make the whole process faster, clearer, and way less stressful. Meta's also adding a fresh AI assistant built to talk to you, guide you, and give specific help on anything from recovering a locked account to fixing profile issues or updating settings you can never find. Meta says the assistant will learn what you need and lead you straight to the best solution. No more going through endless menus. Once the testing phase is over, this smart helper will be added to Instagram and Meta's other apps. The hub also fixes the messy account recovery process. Instead of bouncing between different screens and instructions, users now get a straight way with clearer directions and simpler verification. Meta promises stronger protection too, with better SMS and email alerts for suspicious actions and improved device recognition that could spot risky logins faster. The new system also connects users directly to security tools like two-factor authentication and passkeys. Meta admits it's moved important settings around over the years, leaving users confused. But this new hub is their attempt to fix that once and for all. And the best part, it'll be available globally on Facebook and Instagram for both iOS and Android. For more updates, like this video, comment, and subscribe to GadInsider. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss any tech update. Tech's biggest showdown is heating up, and 2026 could change everything. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub with the latest tech news. As the new year begins, Meta and Apple are racing towards what insiders say may be their most important launches in years. With artificial intelligence now driving the future of gadgets, both companies are gearing up to unveil devices that could reshape how people live, work, and connect. Meta is going all in on AI. CEO Mark Zuckerberg has made it clear that artificial intelligence is the company's next obsession. Meta's preparing a powerful new superintelligence lab with massive investments in computing power and advanced AI systems designed to scale fast. The goal is to be ready if AI takes a giant leap forward and use that to supercharge Meta's business. Meta's working on sleek new wearables, including a limited edition AI device called Malibu 2 and lighter VR headsets. One ultralight model, Puffin, is designed to feel more like everyday eyewear, and it'll run on Meta's Horizon system. Meanwhile, Apple is playing a longer game. Though the company has seen only modest changes recently, Apple's expected to launch a wave of new products across phones, wearables, and computers. Leaks point to new iPhones, upgraded iPads, fresh Macs, powered by new chips, smarter home devices, and maybe even a foldable iPhone. New Apple Watches are also part of the buzz. Whether all of this becomes reality or stays rumor, 2026 is ready to be a big year for the tech world. What are you most excited for? Tell us in the comments, like and share the video, subscribe to GadInsider, and press the bell icon so you never miss any update. Could this be the moment Threads stops being the new app and starts acting like the main thing everyone talks about? Hello and welcome to GadInsider. Meta's Threads has rolled out another major update, sending a clear message to rivals like Reddit and Elon Musk's X that it wants to dominate the area. Threads is expanding its communities feature and pushing harder than ever to keep users posting, debating, and staying inside Threads instead of wandering elsewhere. The app now has more than 200 topic-based communities covering sports, books, pop culture, and everyday interests. Fans can join their favorite team spaces, creating digital arenas for cheering, arguing, bragging rights. Threads is also borrowing a familiar trick from Reddit by testing flares within communities. These labels appear under usernames and let people show off who they are. Sports fans can display their favorite team, while book lovers can mark themselves as authors, readers, or reviewers. It's a small change, but all about identity and loyalty. Status is part of the plan too. Threads is testing a new champion badge given only to selected users who are highly followed and deeply active in community discussions. The badge rewards power users while encouraging everyone else to post more and stay visible. Threads has been steadily adding features like direct messages, group chats, and temporary posts to improve engagement and retention. As competition heats up with X and rising platforms like Blue Sky, Meta is betting that stronger communities, visible identities, and social rewards will keep users hooked. Will these features work for Threads? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates. Meta shocked users by officially shutting down its Facebook Messenger desktop app for Mac and Windows. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your tech place. Messenger app was launched during COVID-19 and fans are now being redirected to the Facebook website to continue messaging friends, family, or business contacts. The desktop messenger had features like notifications, calling, and integrated desktop alerts, but it never kept pace with business-focused rivals like Zoom, which can handle far larger video calls. Many users relied on the convenience of the desktop app, and its closure is sparking frustration among those who preferred it over the browser-based version. Industry insiders hint a deeper strategy behind the shutdown. Meta may be trying to prop up its aging flagship social network, which has seen declining engagement in recent years. Or maybe the demand for a standalone Mac or Windows Messenger experience simply wasn't high enough to justify continued support. For users who don't have a Facebook account, you can now log in via messenger.com without creating a Facebook profile, keeping chats alive even after the app's death. Meta has provided detailed guidance for users with separate instructions for Mac and Windows on Facebook's Help Center. Still, loyal desktop users are left mourning the loss of an app that made chatting faster and sleeker. This marks the end of an era of Messenger as a standalone desktop app, forcing millions to adapt to browser-based messaging whether they like it or not. Were you using this app? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates. Facebook has hit the refresh button and your app is about to look completely different. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Meta is rolling out a slick new interface packed with visual changes, faster navigation, and tools that feel far more like Instagram. The update will make Facebook cleaner, quicker, and more addictive. One of the biggest changes is the brand new grid layout. Search results now pop up in neat squares instead of long lists, and posting multiple photos will also arrange them in a sharp, gallery-style grid. No more endless scrolling because now everything is laid out for instant viewing. And yes, you can now double tap to like photos in your feed, bringing one of Instagram's most loved gestures straight into Facebook territory. Tap a photo and it instantly jumps to full screen, giving the whole platform a more modern, immersive feel. Navigation is also getting a major shake-up too. Soon you'll see the main tabs like Home, Reels, Friends, Marketplace, Notifications, and Profile move to the bottom of your screen, exactly where your thumb wants them. Meta is also testing smarter discovery. Update your interests, maybe you're suddenly obsessed with sourdough or planning a trip, and Facebook will start suggesting friends with the same passions. You still control what shows on your profile, but the recommendations will feel far more personal. Content creation is getting a makeover too. Popular tools like adding music or tagging friends are being moved to more clear spots so you don't have to hunt for them anymore. With all this, Facebook is reinventing itself by borrowing the best from its rivals and aiming to keep users glued to their screens. Are you excited for Facebook renovation? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to GadInsider and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech or gaming updates.